Hello, in this video you will learn how to install Examplify on an iPad so that you can complete exams created in Examsoft. To begin, touch the App Store and search for Examplify. Touch Get next to Examplify and then touch Install. It may also ask you to type in your Apple ID password. Once the app finishes installing, touch Examplify on your home screen and click OK to give Examplify access to your photo roll. Scroll through the software license agreement and then press I agree. For institution ID, type in Dartmouth and then choose UMass Dartmouth College of Nursing. This will bring you to a page where you will need to enter your UMass Dartmouth credentials to log in. Once you log in, Examsoft will say you have successfully logged in, and then you can switch back to the Examsoft app. Once you land here, you'll see no exams ready to download, but once your instructor has made an exam available, this is where you'll be able to download it from.